Send that drone up.
Too much, grab on my waist and put that body on me. I'm coming now, follow my lead. I'm coming now, follow my lead.
Now, I've said it once before, and I've said it in a lot of my videos, particularly when we're talking around car meets and we're talking about car clubs. The car clubs are all about the people and the people that make those clubs. Now, looking around me here, you've got loads of Abarths. It's the first time that I've been out with the guys from Abarth Southeast, and already everyone looks like they're absolutely loving the stuff that's going on here. The amount of cars that have turned up already is absolutely bonkers. And some of the Abarths that have been here as well, you've got some Series 4s, 124 Spiders, but more importantly, some awesome people. Right, so obviously I've come down. Andy, the main man here, invited me down. How are you finding it? This is an awesome turnout.
It is an awesome turnout. Been a bit nervous all week, I've got to be honest, but I think we pulled it off.
I think you've done really well. I mean, I know we had a chat off camera, and I mean, Andy's been tearing his hair out because initially it was about 30 cars supposed to come, and obviously, as you guys have seen throughout the video, it's a very limited space that we've got, so we've had to improvise a bit.
Yeah, we got them in.
But it's a great turnout for what, your second meet?
We've had about 3 to be honest with you.
Yeah.
This is the second time here. We had about 20 first time round.
Yeah.
We're knocking on 50 today. So yeah, it's come off. I'm pleased. I hope everyone's had a good time.
Good.
Food was amazing.
It was indeed.
Yeah, I'm pleased.
Good. Well guys, I'm going to leave a link to the Facebook page of Abarth Owners Club Southeast. Make sure to check them out because they have done a great event here. Food's been great, really well organised. I've had a blast. It's the first time I've been to one of your
no, thanks for coming down. It's been really good.
I'll definitely be back for more. Abarth Owners Club Southeast merch. Again, I'm going to leave a link to their Facebook page in the description below. Head over, check them out. And I know these are for sale for how much, Carly?
I don't know yet. We're getting pricing. I'll let you know soon.
Carly will hook you up, but they will be for sale. Right, so these for me are definitely seats of the meet. These say belts look absolutely stunning. Carbon. Oh, look at that. Let me show you the front. The tan Alcantara on these is absolutely incredible. I'm loving this. What do you reckon, guys? Leave a comment below. Stunning. And of course the stenciling to match the seats. That looks unreal. Sticker, £2 each. No? Sticker, £2 each. Sticker, £2 each. You know you want what you want, man. No? Sticker, £2 each. Sticker. There you go. Give Carly £2. They're not free. Support the club.
That's right, yeah. was just going to run off with that, weren't you?
Stickers, two quid each. Stickers.
I've got one. Yeah, I've got one. Thank you very much, but I've got one. Thank you.
Carly, that's my miserable attempt of selling your stickers, so I'll bring her back to you now. Unfortunately, we've only got one. There's one guy I need to get money from, the guy over there, but at least that's one sticker for the club. Link in the description, you can buy them all there. It's been a really, really fun morning. It was a bit of a trek for me, but it was definitely worth it. As you can see, the guys are still here. The meet is pretty much nearly over, but I've had a blast. Fair play to Abarth Owners Club Southeast. Awesome meet. I'll definitely be coming to more of these. But guys, my name's been Steph. You guys have been awesome. Hit subscribe, make me happy, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.